Hi all, a happy weekend and welcome back to my channel. It's Now or Never. Today I'm here to discuss with you something really very different. Today morning when I was going through or reading a particular book, I came across this particular statement by Oscar Wilde where he was referring to romance uh, and linking it with uncertainty. Okay, so romance and uncertainty, they are linked. Now, this is something which caught my attention. How can romance be linked with uncertainty? On a serious note, if we say, we understand it that कि planning के बारे में जब हम सोचते हैं तो planning is linked to future and future is linked to uncertainty. इसके बारे में तो पता है कई सारे मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट्स को एंड ऑल्सो टू स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कॉमर्स. बट लिंकिंग रोमांस टू अनसर्टेनिटी कैसे, हाउ? सबसे पहले तो आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस विथ यू पीपल दैट रोमांस इज नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट रनिंग अराउंड द ट्रीज और प्रोबेबली प्लेइंग द वायलिन एज SRK डज इन मोहब्बतें और दिलवाले दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे और for that matter any other hero in any movie whatsoever. Romance has a different meaning. If you are a student of literature in English, Hindi or any language, you can define romance in any manner whatsoever possible. Okay, so in my understanding, if I say or if of what I understand romance as, it is something like this. For example, if you say that you want to study something, then you are curious to know about it, isn't it? You are curious. सबसे पहले तो curiosity. Okay, that curiosity is something which will drive you to the next level. What is that? To try and understand what that particular subject matter is, be it a person, be it a concept, a theory, or probably for that matter a game or whatsoever, isn't it? तो आप उसके बारे में खोजना शुरू कर देते हो, उसके बारे में उत्सुक होने लगते हो, उसके बारे में आपकी जिज्ञासा बढ़ती है. ओके, और जहाँ पे ये जिज्ञासा बढ़ने लगती है वहाँ पे आपको उस चीज़ के प्रति या फिर उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान के प्रति या फिर उस पर्टिकुलर क्षेत्र के प्रति लगाव बढ़ने लगता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन समथिंग, आपको क्या लगता है कि मैं उसके पीछे भागने लगूंगा? वो होगा ही नहीं ना. सपोज आई डोंट वांट टू और आई एम लीस्ट इंटरेस्टेड टू नो अबाउट हाउ an electronic equipment works. So will I start to delve into that particular thing and start trying to understand how it is made or probably how it is designed? I will not. So लगाव उसी चीज़ के प्रति होता है जिस चीज़ के प्रति आपकी कनेक्टिविटी बनती है. And romance is all about connectivity, isn't it? So, and connectivity is not always दिल से दिल तक. It's also about a concept to heart. Connectivity means it's all about a bonding. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was in romance with missiles. If I have to say, he was in romance with missiles. So he was very well connected with that. Okay, and if you can see, there are n number of examples of people who were crazy enough for a particular concept or an idea, and they were in love with that particular idea more than a person, isn't it? Now you might be wondering as to why I am giving you this particular pravachan कि भाई रोमांस का क्या मतलब है, उसके अर्थ क्या है, उसके भावार्थ क्या है, उसके फलाना XYZ क्या है. Okay, so the purpose is simple. The purpose is to make you people understand that love or romance does not mean and is never limited to connection between two people or the bonding between two people. It's not even limited to the love or affection that you show to your relatives or your loved ones, or probably for that matter the pets, animals. That's not limited to that. Love or romance is all about trying to understand that particular person or the subject in question. It is only then that you can say that you have dedicated yourself towards that particular concept. For example, if somebody says that I love you, now what does that I love you mean? If at all you don't have time to understand that particular person or probably that subject or that particular concept, it's simply infatuation. And infatuation, once again to say so, is not something which occurs when there is a spark in between two hearts or two people. उसको देखते ही पीछे से वायलिन बजने लग रहा है या फिर ट्रम्पेट्स बजने लग रहे हैं, सैक्सोफोन बजने लग रहा है, एंड जैसे मैं हूं ना में शाहरुख खान को हो रहा था. तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट. इट्स ऑल्सो समथिंग वेयर you have a momentary interest in a specific subject and then you saw कि नहीं यार ये मेरे से नहीं हो रहा, तो फिर कुछ और आजमा के देखता हूँ. It's also about that. Okay, so I'm trying to define romance, love and infatuation in a different angle altogether. Okay, I'm trying to give it a different dimension so that you students, you guys can understand that प्यार का मतलब सिर्फ और सिर्फ I love you और सिर्फ इजहार करना नहीं होता. Okay. So it's also it's more about trying to go into depth about that particular person or about that particular subject or that particular concept or that particular idea or that particular object to which you are attracted, isn't it? So it's all about deep thinking. The more deeper you think about a particular concept which you are interested in, the greater are the chances that you will come out as a winner. There is a possibility. Okay. So जितने भी आविष्कारी थे, हैं और आएंगे भी, वो सब इसी कैटेगरी में आते हैं. अब न्यूटन को क्या पड़ी थी बताओ? एप्पल गिरा, उठा के खा लेता और निकल जाता वहां से. उसे क्या पड़ी थी? अचानक दिमाग लगा के सोचने की कि भाई ये ऊपर से नीचे क्यों गिरा, नीचे जब आ रहा है तो फिर क्या है वो, एंड हु टोल्ड हिम टू प्रोबेबली कम अप विद दीज न्यूटन्स लॉज. आपको परेशान करने के लिए था ही, isn't it? So the same way, if you can see, there are so many people, be it Archimedes or Newton or for that matter Edison or whosoever, they came up with something only when they started to think deep about that particular thing to which they felt connected. Are we getting it? So the moment you are saying that you want to become something, dig deep into it. How will you dig deep into it? By reading about those particular things. For example, अगर career prospects की बात करें, somebody would say, I want to become a doctor. Very good. You want to become a doctor. But आप क्लासेस अटेंड नहीं करोगे. आपको लगता है कि भाई ठीक है 11th एंड 12th की बात है तो 11th में हम थोड़े से टाइम पास कर लेंगे, 12th में पढ़ लेंगे तो हो जाएगा. वो नहीं बनेगा, isn't it? ग्रेजुएशन के दौरान भी अगर ऐसे ही हुआ, उसके बाद पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करोगे उसमें भी यही हुआ, तो फिर आप डॉक्टर कम कंपाउंडर ज़्यादा बनोगे. या फिर उसके लिए भी जो मेहनत चाहिए वो भी नहीं करोगे, तो फिर यू विल एंड अप बिकमिंग एन ऑर्डिनरी डॉक्टर. डॉक्टर तो नाम टैग लग जाएगा बट यू आर नो वे डिफरेंट, बिकॉज आपने उसको उस लेवल तक जानने की कोशिश नहीं की जिस लेवल तक आप जा सकते हो. ओके, सो सिमिलरली द सेम थिंग विद पीपल ऑल्सो. आज के दिन में अगर मान लो कि एक दूसरे के बीच में मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स बन रही है, वो चाहे एक स्टूडेंट टीचर क्यों ना हो या फिर फॉर दैट मैटर एक हस्बैंड वाइफ क्यों ना हो, बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड क्यों ना हो, पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रन क्यों ना हो, whosoever it be, the reason as to why I feel there is a disturbance or probably a clash is just because बाहरी दिखावा हम कर लेते हैं एक गुलाब देकर या फिर फॉर दैट मैटर एक डे सेलिब्रेट करके, बट अदरवाइज उन्हें दिल से ना हम जान पा रहे हैं, ना उन्हें पहचान पा रहे हैं, ना ही फॉर दैट मैटर हम जानने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. That is where the problem starts. Okay, you feel that whatever time you are spending with them is more than enough. What else do you need to know? There is a lot for you to know. If a person is reacting in some way in front of you, why is it so that this person is reacting? It's not simple that you said no and that is why they are reacting. Might be something else. Okay, Human psychology is a lot deeper than whatever seas and rivers you can see. It's beyond them. Okay. Similarly, a subjective interest is also a lot deeper than whatever you can read. That is a lot of depth in a specific subject whatsoever you choose. So, for example, even if it is music, even if it is sports, let us say you are very good or you are very much interested in being an athlete, so be it. But athlete बनने के लिए सिर्फ सुबह उठ के दौड़ना ही काफ़ी नहीं है. There are so many things which you might have to do. I'm not a person who can deliver you a lecture on this. So I would simply say that अगर आपको प्रोफेशनली उस लेवल पे पहुंचना है जिस लेवल पे the best of the best runners exist, then you will also have to follow their routine. You will have to study their routine. You will have to understand those dynamics, and then only you can think of at least reaching to a state level or probably a level at which they are. Isn't it? रोमांस हो, प्यार हो या जो चीज़ भी हो, ये एक तपस्या जैसी है. जब तक आप अपना माइंड एंड सोल होल हार्टेडली उसमें नहीं डुबो दोगे, तब तक के लिए आपको जो मिलने वाला है वो एक आउटवर्ड पहचान ही है, जिसकी कनेक्टिविटी प्रोबेबली ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकी रहेगी. Because you are not connected with that particular person or probably with that particular subject in depth. So, I'm closing this over here, and then to rewind it, there is only one thing which I would like to say. Romance, love, अगर बात कर रहे हो आप, तो फिर you need to understand that whatever you understand is not the understanding of it. Because you have never tried to go beyond the level of the understanding which you have about that particular concept which you call as love or romance. And that is why I feel Oscar Wilde's statement where he is linking romance to uncertainty or strangeness is something which is lovely. Because that particular portion of the human being which you know or whom you know, or that particular portion of the subject which you and I know, which we feel that we are dedicated to, is just the tip of the iceberg. The more we try to understand, the more we will understand that we have less of the understanding of whatever we have understood. समझे नहीं समझे? मतलब ये कि हमने अगर ये समझा कि हमने इंसान को समझ लिया, तो फिर जो समझ हमारी है वो समझ हमारी एक्चुअली जितनी समझ होनी चाहिए उस समझ से काफ़ी कम है. ठीक है? सो उस समझ को बढ़ाने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? स्पेंड सम मोर टाइम. सपोज आई लव रीडिंग. अगर मैं सब्जेक्टिव नॉलेज ही गेन करके बैठ जाऊँ तो फिर दैट इज नॉट रीडिंग. रीडिंग इज व्हेन आई विल पिक अप दोज बुक्स which are linked to my subject and then start reading them, when I will try to start understanding them, when I will try to connect them to the main subject or the core subject and come up with different analytical views. Okay, for example, I am very much interested to know about different people in the business world. Okay, because this is something which is my area of interest. I'm interested to know about leadership. So ultimately, simply reading about leadership per se is not enough. I have to read a few books also about those people who are considered as excellent leaders. For example, I'll have to read about Nadella, or probably I'll have to read about Pichai, or probably even I have to read about Tata. So then only will I come to know the different ways in which these people have been doing the work, right? So these were some examples. Let me know your views about this particular video. Subscribe, like and share. Until then, bye-bye. See you soon.